Alright, so now we are going to create a graphical user interface for which we'll have to go to the Explorer section and look for this Starter GUI folder. Click on the plus sign next to it and take Screen GUI from that list of options. Then uh, again go to the Screen GUI, click on the plus sign and take a text label which should also appear on your play area. Now make sure that you have properties window available, so for which as of now it's not there, so I'm going to go to the views and take down the properties window here and look for the properties of the text label. So here there is an anchor point. So anchor point is nothing but the position on the top left corner. I'm going to keep it as 0.5 comma 0.5, and then I have to also make sure that this label is present right in the center of the screen, so for which I'm going to go to the position, and the first position is related to our uh, screen GUI, uh, which is the parent. So I'm going to change its value to 0.5, and hold on, I think I'm changing the um, appearance of the black, sorry, the ground, so I've moved somewhere else. So I'm going to go to the text label again and take down the properties section here, and anchor point is zero point 0.0, correct. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to position it to the right exactly at the center of the screen. So I'm going to change the first value, which is the x value, to 0.5. I'm going to keep y as 0, and now the next sorry, the second value is 0, and now I'm going to change its y position as well to the 0. So now the numbers are 0.5 comma 0, and for the y value again 0.5 comma 0, and the label appears right in the center. Now let's try to change its size. So maybe I'm going to change its size. Okay, so this is changing the size of the part. No, I have to change the size of the label. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to uh, go to the appearance, and okay, so again, so somewhere it has moved here, so it has gone back to the part. So go back to, so you keep checking that you are changing the properties of the text label. That is very important, otherwise the other parts might get changed. So now I'm going to change its font. So I'm going to look for its font, and as well as I'm going to change its background color. So let's first change the background color. So I'm going to make it uh, green, and let's change its transparency to 1, so that it's not visible uh, right away. So it's taking a bit of time to look for the properties here. That is the border, name is the text label, parent is screen GUI, position selectable, size. Okay, under the size, that's the relative size. Okay, visibility is on at the present. I'm going to turn it off when the formatting is done. So in the behavior section, this is achievable. Okay, there you go. In the text section, the font, you can change any, no, change the font to anything. I'm going to change it to say fantasy, because this is our fantasy world. So that's the font. Now I'm going to change text color, may it be let it be black. Now okay, there is this text scaled. Once you tick that, you can change the text size. If you do not tick it, then usually the number that appears there is nothing but this the pixels. So you make sure that you've scaled it